So, you want to make a rust material in Blender. Well, you've come to the right place. Hey guys, welcome to TutsByKai. I'm Kai, and today we are back once again taking a look at this rust material right here. I made a rust material a little bit ago, actually, in Blender, but I figured I'd do another one because it's been a long time. So, you can see what it looks like right here. You can just go ahead and take a look at this very simple setup that we have. It's basically just 4 nodes-ish. So the first thing, we're going to go ahead and disconnect everything except for the principal BSDF shader, which is what comes by default, of course, when you make a new material. Then I added a Shift-A search color ramp right there. And then I plopped that bad boy down, and I just changed this color to like an orange color. And then this one to like a brownish color, like that, a darker brown. And I hooked this up into the color of the principal BSDF shader. And it looks like this. There you go. Nice simple orange color. That's just all that it is. And then I added a noise texture. So Shift-A, search, noise, right there. Grab that. And I also searched for Shift-A, search, Musgrave texture. And we put both these down right here and right here, as you can see. So I plugged the color of the noise texture into the factor of the color ramp and changed around the values to 9, 16, and 0.65. Distortions on 0. It looks like this. So we have a very simple kind of noise look going on with this node. It's very simple. It's like very subtle, which is nice. I like it. Then down here in the bottom, I hooked the noise check. I hit Shift D and duplicated it. So Shift D. And then I moved it down here, changed the value of the scale to 10, and the roughness to 0.66. Might as well just do 0.6. That's fine. And then I hooked the color of this into the roughness of the material. And as you can see, it did this, which is nice. It has a nice, you can see that it does break the roughness on the edges. You can see there, right there. So it looks like it is kind of like worn off there, which is really cool. I like that a lot. Then, because that was not good enough for me yet, I plugged the height of the Musgrave texture into the metallic, and the value is 3, 16.6, and 2, which is nice. So it gives you this nice look where it looks like maybe some of the material has been peeled off, and some of the shinier bits are being exposed underneath that whatever this object is. So we also have this nice like grayish tone that comes out right here. You can see on that light because of the specular, which is very nice. I'm actually turning specular up a little bit, like this, like that. So a little bit more of that specular in there, maybe just a tiny bit. Specular tint, you can turn that on, but I really like the gray tones, so we're going to leave the gray because there's always like a grayish bluish tone in rust. So that is pretty much it. That's literally all I did for this very simple material. I enjoyed this quite a bit. Like I said, I kind of needed to update this one. It's been like I think 3 years since I made a rust tutorial, so there we go. I enjoy this one much better because it's procedural. The last one we did was off of an image, so I enjoyed this quite a bit. Hope you ladies and gentlemen did as well. I will see you in the next one, but until then, bye bye.